Everyone thinks push-ups and squats are easy. But what if I told you there are bodyweight exercises so hard that 90% of people can't do even one rep? No weights, no machines, just you versus gravity. And the final exercise? It's so difficult, it almost seems fake. Let's see if you're in the top 10%. Exercise 5. Muscle up. Explosive power test. This isn't just a pull-up. It's a pull-up plus a dip plus explosive timing, all in one move. Most people can't transition over the bar. They either get stuck halfway, swing wildly, or don't have enough explosive strength. This move demands back power, shoulder stability, core, tension, perfect coordination. If you can do strict muscle ups, you're already ahead of most gym goers. Exercise 4. Single leg squat, pistol squat. Looks simple? Try it. One leg forward, squat all the way down. Stand back up without falling. This move exposes weak knees, tight ankles, poor balance, weak glutes. Most people don't lack strength. They lack control. If you can hit full depth with control, you're elite. Exercise 3. Inverted hanging crunches. Now let's flip things. Literally, inverted hanging crunches. Hang upside down. Control your swing. Lift your torso using only your core. No momentum, no kicking. This movement requires insane grip strength, lower abdominal power, full body tension. Most people can't stop the swinging. And without control, there's no rep. Exercise 2. Bruce Lee's Dragon Flag. Made famous by Bruce Lee. The legendary Dragon Flag. Your shoulders are the only thing touching the bench. Your body stays perfectly straight. You lower down slowly, without bending. This isn't just abs, it's core, lats, glutes, spinal control, pure tension. Even strong lifters shake on this one. But we're not done yet. Final exercise, the surprise. You've seen strength, you've seen control. Now imagine holding your body in midair, with only your hands touching a vertical pole. Exercise 1. The vertical flag hold. Your body becomes a straight line, parallel to the ground, while gripping a vertical bar. This requires extreme shoulder strength, oblique dominance. Grip power core like steel. Years of training. Less than 1 to 2% of people can hold this cleanly. It doesn't just test strength, it tests whether you can control your entire body against gravity. So tell me, how many of these can you actually do? 0? 1? All 5? Comment your level below. And if you want to become part of that top 10%, you have to train fundamental exercise like push-ups, pull-ups, squats, plank consistently. You can't do these hard exercises on the day one itself. Stay consistent, train hard, master your body. Because when you control your body, you control your limits. Thanks for watching. See you in another interesting video. Until then, improve yourself.